Actress turned politician Nusrat Jahan has been grabbing headlines for a long time due to legality of her marriage with businessman Nikhil Jain, her pregnancy and then the paternity of her baby. Now, a local court in Kolkata recently ruled that Nusrat's wedding with Nikhil Jain 2 years ago legally not valid. The order by the civil judge stated, it is declared that the alleged marriage held on 19th of June 2019 at Bodrum, Turkey, in between the plaintiff and the defendant is not legally valid. The order further stated that marriage in question was never registered in Turkey, that their alleged marriage did not take place following any religious practice, and that interfaith marriage between a Hindu and a Muslim has no legal sanctity under any personal law prevailed in India. That the parties to the suit never got married under the Special Marriage Act, and so their consensual union cannot be treated as a marriage. In an interaction with the Times of India, Nikhil shared that he was feeling relieved after the order and considered it the best gift on his birthday. He also said, and I quote, I had appealed for an annulment of marriage before the court in March this year after Nusrat walked out of the marriage and declared it didn't mean anything to her. I am happy the court has ruled in my favor and has set both of us free from the complex relationship we were in. On the other hand, talking to a news portal a few days ago, Nusrat stated that she had talked about the status of her marriage in the parliament. Further answering the question being raised by some people about her personal life, Nusrat said, and I quote, they did not pay for my wedding. They did not pay for the hotel bills. I don't have to say anything to them. I am honest. I was wrongly portrayed and now I have clarified it. Nusrat further clarified that she did not want to pull anyone down, and that is why throughout the whole controversy, she did not take any name. Nusrat and businessman Nikhil Jain tied the knot on 19th of June 2019 in an intimate ceremony in Turkey. However, in November 2020, the couple got separated, after which Nusrat issued a statement revealing that her marriage with Nikhil was according to Turkish law and is not valid in India. Nusrat welcomed a baby boy Yishan on 26th of August this year. The birth certificate mentions the baby's father's name as Yash Dasgupta.